HSC today, here's a band 6 question from 2006. Probably more of a band 5 nowadays, but there we go. During a storm, water flows into a 7,000 litre tank where dV/dt is that and t is in minutes. At what times is the tank filling at twice the initial rate? Alright, so first thing you've got to do is figure out what the initial rate is. So, initial rate, this means that t equals 0. We need to find dV/dt. If you sub in 0, that dies and that dies, so therefore dV/dt is 120. So what we need to do is we need to find t when the rate is double 120, 240. So 120 plus 26t minus t squared is equal to 240. Making that to a quadratic where t squared is positive, so we're going to get t squared minus 26t plus 120 is equal to 0. So that's going to give me that t minus 20 minus 6 is equal to 0, and therefore t equals 20 minutes and t equals to 6 minutes. Cool. Part 1 done. Part 2. Find the volume of water that has flowed into the tank since the start of the storm as a function of t. So what that's saying is find the volume. So we have dV/dt, we want to find v. So v is going to be the integral of dV/dt, which was 120 plus 26t minus t to the 3, sorry, t squared, dt. So it's going to be 120t plus 26t on t 13, t squared minus a third t to the 3 plus c. Now initially it's empty. Initially v equals 0, t equals 0. This implies that c equals 0. So v is going to be 120t plus 13t squared minus a third t to the 3. Cool. Part 3. Initially the tank holds 1,500 litres of water. When the storm finishes 30 minutes later, when the storm finishes 30 minutes after it began, the tank is now overflowing. How many litres have been lost? So we're going to work out how much water actually went into the tank, and then whatever the answer is, take away 7,000, because it can only hold 7,000. So when t is 30 minutes, v is going to be 120 times 30 plus 13 times 30 squared minus a third times 30 to the power 3, and that is 6,300 litres. Initially there are 1,500 litres in tank, so therefore there is 7,800 litres in the tank. Since the capacity is 7,000 litres, therefore 800 litres has been lost. And that is your answer.